Do you know how to find the sound ID for any audio on Roblox? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. First, go to the Roblox website. At the top, click on Create. This will take you straight to the Roblox Creator Hub. From there, select Store at the top, then scroll down and choose Audio. You can browse through categories to find the music or sound effect you want, or simply use the search bar. Once you've found a sound, hit the play button to preview it. To grab the sound ID, just right-click on the sound panel and select Copy Asset ID. If you prefer, you can also copy the asset link. Inside Roblox Studio, you can do the same. Open the Creator Store panel, choose Audio from the drop-down, and search for the sound you want. Then right-click and select Copy Asset ID. Finally, when you've chosen your sound, go to the Properties window and paste the sound ID into the box or wherever you want to use it. And that's it! Now you know how to get any sound ID on Roblox. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like.